Hi friends, I'm back today with a mystery. I got some goodies off Marketplace and I honestly have no idea what I picked up. So let's open it all together. For those of you who are new here, my name is Megan and I am a lover of all things vintage. I have a vintage booth and I also refinish furniture, and I just love sharing all of that with you. Forgive my voice, we have been a little under the weather in this house, so I do sound a little stuffy, but I wanted to make sure that I shared all of this with you before I opened it up. I truly have not opened this up. I went on Marketplace and I was actually about to go pick up another piece that I had found on Marketplace, and just as I was leaving, a notification popped up on my phone of something free on one of the free groups in my area. So I decided to look at it real quick, and it just said teapots. I didn't even really look at it. I just knew that there were teapots and they were free. And y'all know I love teapots. So I messaged the lady and said, can I please have them? And she said, well, I have a lot of people who are interested, but I actually have a whole bunch of tea related items. And if you're willing to take everything, then you can have it. And I said, absolutely, sure, I'll be there. It just so happened that the items were nearby to the other thing that I was picking up, so it all worked out beautifully. And she was so sweet. She wrapped things up so nicely. I have 3 big bags of items, and I have no idea what's in here because I didn't even look at the picture when I said I wanted them. I just knew it was teapots and they were free. So this is a total mystery to me, and there's a whole lot more. There were only like 3 teapots in the picture. This is a whole lot more than 3 teapots. So let's find out what tea related things I got. First up, I got this tea box, which this was not in the picture of what she said she had, so this was a bonus item. And it is full of tea, which she told me the tea was really old to just throw it away, so I probably will. But the box itself is from the Bombay company, and it has some light scratching on the top, but overall it's in great condition. And I like to refinish jewelry boxes and things like that, but I have never refinished a tea box before. And I think that this will be a really nice one to do because it has this big, huge surface. It has a lot of possibilities for fun things that I could do with that. So I'm gonna refinish that, and it was free, so the price was right. Ooh. This one has a jingle. Ooh. Gotta be careful. Oh my goodness. We've got this silver, it's like a vintage silver spoon. That's so pretty. Wow. Okay, off to a good start. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is the little place where you would put like the tea leaves to steep. That's so cute. What else do we have? And then this is also to steep the tea. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. Next up, ooh, oh, look at this. How pretty. Like a sterling, well, like a silver tea steeper. And then it has this piece on the bottom, so you place it in there. Wow, very cool. Loving it. Okay, this feels like a mug. There could be a lot of mugs in here. Keep calm and make tea. Some of these items will probably get re-thrifted because I'm not going to keep everything, but it's really fun to go through this and have it be a complete mystery. So this one might go back to the donation bin. Next up, life has no blessing like good friends. Cute. Oh, this is a cute cup. Yeah, I don't know what brand it is. It's a cute little cup. All these things look like brand new. Like there's no crazing in them or anything like that, which is interesting. I don't know what these are. Maybe napkin rings? Ooh. Yeah, probably napkin rings. She must have had like tea parties and like did fun events and just had all this stuff left over. This is like never ending. Only on the first bag. Oh, this goes with our teacup. This one? Yeah, this one. Well, that's cute. Look at the cherries. Okay, that's really cute, actually. Like that. Okay, this is interesting. There is a top. Do we think that goes with the teapots at some point in this haul? Hopefully. So here is this piece. There's the top that goes on it. That's really cute. This one does have some crazing, so Maybe it's a little bit older, but that's really pretty for Christmas time. Just a really cute piece to have. The sun is shining so bright on me right now. I'm trying to get out of it. It's actually quite warm. I'm wearing a scarf because it's cold outside, but the sun is warming me up. Oh, how cute. Little silver piece to hold all your tea bags. That's cute. I like that. This is so much fun. I'm sensing a saucer. Ooh. Godinger silver. Okay. That's a pretty saucer. Okay, that's the end of the first bag. Moving on to number 2. This one's super full. That one was only like halfway full. The other 2 are filled to the brim. Ooh, cute teacup from Anthropologie. That's nice. I hope there's more of these. This one is feeling like a teapot top. This looks like it's matching the Anthropologie cup. That would be a nice find. I see a spout. Yes, a little Anthropologie teapot. Okay, that's a good one. Again, in this listing, I think there are only 3 teapots. And none of these so far that I've seen were in that picture, I'm pretty sure. So this is all just bonus. Ooh, that's pretty for Christmas. Global Designs, Kate Williams. That's very pretty. Okay, this is a little like spot to put your tea bag or your spoon. Hand painted by Milson and Lewis. Another one, number 3, number 4. I'm drowning in paper over here. So much. Feels a lot like the Anthropologie mug. It is. There's another Anthropologie one. These aren't vintage, obviously, but Anthropologie is a very sought after company. I've sold things from Anthropologie before, and so that's a nice little find. Ooh, this is really pretty. Fine porcelain made in USA. Another little tea keeper, spoon keeper. And there's another one. This person really loved tea. I would love to know more of the story behind this person and how she ended up with so much tea related items. I have no idea what I'm gonna pull out up here. Oh good. We have the top for our teacup, or tea kettle. That's really pretty. It's a big one too, for size. Okay, this is like a creamer for your cream in your tea. I don't know where it came from, but it's cute. It's got a little like pear on it. Looks hand painted. I'm scared to open some of these because I don't want them to break. It's all so breakable. Okay, so this is the sugar that goes with that creamer. This one's kind of dirty. Gotta clean this one up. Oh, it says hand painted from possibly Portugal. Okay, this is the last one from that bag. It looks like a teapot. On this side it has lemons. Yeah, hand painted in Portugal. So nice. Okay, we have one more bag left, filled to the brim. Let's see what it is. I have a book. I don't know if it's about tea. Miss Fanny's hat. I don't know, but it looks cute. We'll have to see. Let me know if you read that one. Is it about tea? Let's have a tea party. Special celebrations for little girls. That's cute. It has like menus and things inside of it. Mother and daughter treasure life's little pleasures. It's got tea and it's got like a place to put a picture. And you can like prop it up. That's cute. Yes, this person must have like hosted parties or something. Tea at Fortnum and Mason, Piccadilly. Ooh, hello. Those are some yummy recipes. Ooh, that's a good one. Delicious. Yum. Okay, that's pretty cool. Very nice find, and it's pretty. Love the color. Time for Tea with Mary Engelbreit. I have other teapots of hers. I know that they are very collectible. This is a sweet book all about tea. You can learn about all the different kinds and the history of it. It's got pretty pictures. This looks like maybe a sugar piece. Look at that. That's really cute. The like pine cones on top. A little sugar dish. And here's the creamer. That matches. Very nice. This is Tracy Porter, the Winterland collection. Ooh, what's this? Silver plated colored stone jeweled napkin rings. Set of 4. Oh, also Gottinger silver. Nice. This person was just cleaning out. I feel like this would be a sweet ring. They are fancy. Woo, and they're heavy. They have 4 different colors. Oh, Time for Tea. Little book. We have some Mary Engelbreit tea related invitations. So amazing. This is all free. Okay, we're reaching the end. I have this, which I'm guessing is going to go to a teapot. So here is a teapot. Sorry about the light. It's like moving as I do this video and I cannot keep up with it. So here is the teapot and here is its little, there's its little top. Oh, I love that. These patterns are awesome. Perfect for really all throughout winter. It has little snowflakes on it and everything, so you could use this Christmas all the way through winter. I don't know. I can't call this a napkin. I guess you could just place it on the table. It's like gauzy. Decor, last but not least. Don't know what it is. It's in a box. Oh, to commemorate the royal wedding of Prince William to Catherine Middleton, April 2011. Ooh, this is a fun one for the end. Oh my goodness. Okay, this was a real tea collector. You have this. Oh my. It's got their faces on it. Legit, to commemorate. Royal crest. And there's a teacup. I cannot imagine having my face on a teacup. Or a saucer. But there you have it. That is the end. This is a fitting ending to this mystery haul. So, tea related, all things tea, mystery haul. I would say it turned out pretty well considering it was free. A lot of things that I can use in my booth. Maybe some things that I can keep for myself. And then just some fun. Just some fun ones. So let me know if you like this little mystery haul. And if you recognize any of the items, if you have any of these, give me information on them. Again, this was a total mystery to me, so I would say it turned out pretty well. Till next time.